We are going to show you some simple aquaponic systems that we have built and which have been running successfully now for 18 months. This is a single bed media-based system. We have 4 of these identical to each other sitting side by side. The fish tanks, which are the black tubs along the front of the grow beds, were purchased from a local hardware store and were relatively cheap. The grow beds and stands are prefabricated and were the most expensive component of these systems. We have used these systems to grow leafy green vegetables and herbs, as well as corn, strawberries, spring onion, tomatoes, snow peas and ornamentals. Goldfish are used in these systems as they are hardy and eat well throughout the year. Goldfish can also cope with the extremes of temperature, which was an important factor for us considering the temperature here can go from -7 degrees in winter to over 40 degrees in summer. Aeration is provided by an air pump attached to an air stone which is placed at the base of the fish tank. The fish tank water is pumped on a timer cycle from the fish tank to the opposite end of the grow bed using a submersible pump which is located in the fish tank. Foam blocks are located at the point where the water enters the grow bed and are used as a basic form of mechanical filtration. This is not essential, but it is useful in reducing the amount of solids entering the grow beds, which will in turn reduce your maintenance time cleaning the media. We have used river pebbles as the medium for our systems, but any of the normal hydroponic mediums can be used instead. Seeds are planted directly into the medium. Once the grow bed has been flooded, water is both drained and siphoned back into the fish tank, which fits below the drain. Water entering the fish tank also increases the amount of oxygen in the water. Because our climate can get very hot, we needed a top-up system that allowed us to keep the water in the system at optimal levels. We have used a float valve connected to a main water supply to achieve this. These basic aquaponics systems have worked well for us. They were relatively cheap to build and, as you can see, have given us healthy organic food to eat over a long period of time.